Hi my friends, today I'm trying to show you another recipe which is mixed yogurt. So if you are vegan, you need to use vegan yogurt, which for example coconut yogurt I'm using, but any type of vegan yogurt you can use it, but simple, not fruity one. Also, if you are not vegan, you can use any type of yogurt, but a still simple one, or Greek style yogurt. And we mix it with vegetables such as cucumber, mint, basil, parsley, garlic, plus sultana and walnut. So yummy, so yummy. It is very special for you because it is no new taste. I'm sure it is new taste for you. Just you try it, you will never regret. Let's try it. Little bit black pepper and salt. If it is little bit salty, it's more delicious. But more 1 teaspoon salt or less than 1 would be enough. I'm adding dill, smell is nice. Dill has very good smell. I love it. And just little bit sultana. But up to you if you like more, but not too much. Maybe this enough. Just like we try and let you know. We can add a little bit more. I need more salt for this one. Very yummy. I changed mine. I will add olive sultana. Also the walnut. I wanna cut the one little bit walnut was extra. and add. You have to keep it for few hours or one day. After one day is more delicious because the taste would be mixed together. It's very yummy. So yummy. You know, after one day is much more delicious. This is the final product. It is so yummy. Even you can eat this one as a food if you are vegan. Or you can use this one, eat this one as a side dish. For example, rice with the stew and something, and this one. Or maybe somebody like to eat this one as a breakfast. That's okay. Up to you. So yummy. Just after one day, the taste would be mixed together. You know, takes a little bit time. Even after a few hours would be more delicious than now. But after one day, the garlic will change the taste totally. So it would be very yummy.